This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. Our newly designed Gemina is a vertical wall supply unit which provides versatile functionality and several options to design your individual workplace around the patient bed. It combines features and benefits within our 4 focus topics: workplace customization, healing environment, ergonomics, and infection prevention. Individual workplace design is of utmost importance to support clinical workflows and processes in your acute care area. The Gemina lets you design your workspace according to your wishes and requirements with numerous workstation components and accessories. Due to the frame rail concept, we have now more options to mount medical equipment and workstation components. We can use the 2 frame rails on the front of the Gemina unit to mount equipment, as well as horizontal rails and/or 25mm or 38mm poles. Approximately 20,000 variants of workstation components are available to customize your Gemina workplace. The components are ergonomically designed, intuitive to use, and retrofittable. Furthermore, there's more space to place electrical and gas outlets. The 3 sides can be used to position the outlets freely, i.e. electrical and gas outlets mixed, but with a safety distance of 200mm. With the new Gemina, you have several options to design the workplace. 1 Gemina for 1 bed, 1 Gemina to serve 2 beds, 2 Gemina units for 1 bed, and 3 Gemina units for 2 beds. Furthermore, it's easy and fast to adapt the workplaces according to new requirements. Acute care patient rooms often appear frightening with harsh light, a technical atmosphere, and a lot of noise. That's why it's important for us to design the medical workplaces as patient-friendly as possible. Our Gemina offers a bunch of colors and decors which makes the supply unit fit into your room concept, as well as several lighting solutions. Apart from white, there are 14 standard colors available for the frame rails. But additionally, we can realize any other color required according to the design of your patient rooms. The drawer fronts can be ordered with application themes. In case that a frame rail is damaged or the care unit needs a renovation, the frame rails can be exchanged easily. Front plates are available in white or anodized aluminium. The dedicated working light supports staff for preparation or documentation work without disturbing the patient. It can be dimmed according to your individual preferences. Our indirect light on the Gemina can either serve to create a pleasant atmosphere in the patient room or to give orientation for the staff at night without waking up the patient. It can be controlled individually, meaning that the 4 sides can be switched on and off separately. Also, the indirect light is available in RGB colors to create a soothing or stimulating atmosphere in the room. Our intuitively designed control panel with touch sensitivity is easy to use and similar to other Draeger control panels. Caregivers have an extremely stressful job, which also requires some physical strain. As staff satisfaction and staff retention have become essential nowadays, medical workplaces should be designed ergonomically so that workflows are improved. With the Gemina wall supply unit, you can design the medical workplace ergonomically and for ease of use. Medical equipment can be placed according to the caregiver's height, according to the workplace type or discipline, or according to work preferences and room layout. Accessories can be adapted flexibly, for example, putting monitors and flow meters on eye level. In order to make the operation of the Gemina as easy and intuitive as possible, we have uniform user interfaces on all our Draeger devices. The control panel on the Gemina is touch-sensitive and intuitive to operate, which makes the Gemina more user-friendly. The workstation components are also designed ergonomically and are easy to handle. The risk of cross-infections caused by pathogenic germs on medical equipment is one of the biggest challenges in all hospitals. One of the contributions to reduce the risk is a clean and structured workplace design, together with a hygienic design of the equipment itself. The Gemina is designed in a way that the whole system can be cleaned easily. Rounded edges, closed housings, smooth surface materials, and no corners where dust and dirt could accumulate. Also, the workstation components, for example drawers, can be cleaned easily. The surface materials of the Gemina are resistant to approximately 20 disinfection agents, according to the list of all validated disinfectants. That means reduced complexity for the caregivers and/or cleaning personnel. Only one disinfectant needs to be used for all Draeger devices on the medical workplace. Our cable management solution promotes a tidy and structured workplace and prevents dust and dirt accumulation. Furthermore, it improves the cleaning process. We have a cable management solution on the column as well as on the drawers and on the mounting system.